Hey you guys, I missed you. I'm back. And we are in our new house. Yay! I couldn't wait to show it to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this empty house tour. It's not empty right now, as you can see. We have been moved in about a month. We thank God we got into the house right before coronavirus like really hit and quarantine and being stuck at home and stuff. And so I've taken this time to unpack as much as I could. It's been crazy, so I'm barely now putting up the video. That should have been up a month ago. I'm almost done unpacking, kind of. Um, and then I get to show you guys the furnished house tour. But for now, let's enjoy an empty house tour with me and the kids. And once the store's open, we paint these walls. Everything will be cute and white. And we get to show you guys. We will be taking you on this journey with us. We plan on hopefully being here more than 2 years, God willing, by the time Corona decides to get itself together. And we can have friends over. I might already be ready to move, but I'm not. I love this house and I can't wait to show you guys. So, you guys, this is as soon as we enter, which is now our formal dining for now. I don't know if I'm going to keep everything the way it is, but this is what happened. And this was supposed to be the kids' playroom. It turned into the formal living room because it's right next to the door. Everything is so yellow, guys. But we're going to paint it as soon as I could get back into the stores and get some paint and stuff. Hopefully, this is our kitchen. We have an island now. This was before the island. Our powder room downstairs. The other two doors were pantry and garage. Our backyard. This is our family living room. Upstairs we go. You know I can't sing, but I can try, or at least attempt. I think that's the same thing. This is Babe's loft. I love it. It was something that he really wanted. And this is our laundry room. And now the bedrooms. This is Noah's bedroom. Baby boy. This is the kids slash guest bathroom. And now little mama's room. My favorite part. I have a lot of favorite parts, but one of the favorite parts, the master bedroom. I absolutely love our bedroom. It is our little palace thing. What is it called? Retreat. I don't know what it's called, guys. Our closet. Some linen closets, the shower, our vanity, my ducklings, my babies. Our little bathroom and the room. And now we go to show you guys my other favorite part. I love this house, you guys. I can't wait to get all these yellow walls and white and do a few more things, but we have big plans. And that kitchen, you guys know, that kitchen followed me from the other house to this house. Our backyard, you guys, our pool. This was what sold us. This home feels like home, but the backyard feels exactly where we want to be. I can't wait until Miss Corona takes her booty home and we can have friends over. The weather gets better and we could enjoy this. We plan on getting a spa, and
Oh, my babies. Look at the
Okay, so
babies.
that was
Bye,
our
you
empty
guys.
house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope I wasn't all over the place and made you dizzy. I love to do that. I can't get a hang of how to actually record the right way and do things a little bit more professional, but I'm going to hopefully get it together. I hopefully won't be gone for too long this time around. Please be safe. Please stay home. Keep your loved ones safe, you guys. It's almost over right now. Everybody's going crazy, but we're going crazy together, and we just pray and hopefully this will be over soon. And we have our friends over. I can't wait until we have a housewarming party and our friends get to actually see it. Love you guys. Be careful. Be safe. Bye.